$500. That's what a complete beginner made in their first month using nothing but ChatGPT and a free Fiverr account. No following, no experience, no investment, just a strategy, a few hours a week, and one AI tool. I know that sounds hard to believe, because there's so much hype online about making money with AI. But this is different. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step method, including what to offer, where to find clients, what to charge, and exactly how to use ChatGPT to deliver professional results. This isn't theory, this is a working system. And by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to start. Let's get into it. The first thing most people get wrong is trying to sell AI services in general. That's too vague. Clients don't buy vague, they buy specific solutions to specific problems. So your first step is to pick one service to offer. Here are the 3 highest demand, easiest to deliver ChatGPT services right now in 2026. Number 1. Email newsletter writing. Every business with an email list needs fresh content weekly. They pay $50 to $150 per newsletter. Number 2. LinkedIn post creation. Professionals and executives want to build their personal brand on LinkedIn but hate writing. They pay $100 to $300 per month for 12 posts. Number 3. Blog post writing. SEO content is still massively in demand. Standard rate is $75 to $200 per 1,000-word article. For your first month, pick just one. Let's say you choose LinkedIn posts. That's what we'll use as our example for the rest of this video. Go to Fiverr.com and create a free account. Then click Become a Seller and set up your gig. Your gig title should be, I will write 12 engaging LinkedIn posts using AI tools. Your gig description should explain that you create scroll-stopping, professional LinkedIn content for executives and entrepreneurs. For pricing, start at $75 for 12 posts. This seems low, but your goal right now is to get 5-star reviews, not maximize income. You can raise prices once you have 10 reviews. In your gig, use keywords like LinkedIn content, LinkedIn ghostwriting, personal brand posts, and AI-powered writing. Upload a few sample posts as gig images. Use Canva to design them. The whole setup takes about 45 minutes. Here's the exact ChatGPT prompt to use when a client hires you. You ask the client 3 questions. What industry are you in? What topics do you want to talk about? What is your goal, leads, followers, or authority? Then you go to ChatGPT and enter this prompt. You are an expert LinkedIn ghostwriter. Write 12 LinkedIn posts for a client's industry professional who wants to build authority. The posts should be conversational, insightful, and end with a hook question. Cover these topics. Paste client topics. Make each post between 150 and 250 words. ChatGPT will generate all 12 posts in under 60 seconds. You then spend 20 to 30 minutes reviewing them, adjusting any that feel too generic, and adding specific details the client mentioned. Deliver via a Google Doc. The whole process takes under 1 hour per client. Getting your first client on Fiverr can be slow. So here's a faster method. Go to LinkedIn and search for executives or business owners in any industry. Find ones who haven't posted in the last 30 days. That's a signal they want to be active but don't have time. Send them a direct message that says, Hi, name, I noticed you haven't posted on LinkedIn recently. I help busy professionals create consistent LinkedIn content using AI tools. I can write your next 12 posts for just $75. Includes a free sample so you can see the quality first. Would that be worth a quick look? Send this to 30 people per day. Expect a 5 to 10% response rate. That means you'll have 2 to 3 interested people from every 30 messages. Convert just 2 per week and you've hit $500 in your first month. Once you have 5 happy clients and 5-star reviews, here's how you scale. First, raise your price to $150 for 12 posts. Existing clients will mostly stay. Second, add a retainer option, $150 per month, and they get posts every week. This creates recurring income. Third, expand your services. Once you've mastered LinkedIn, Offer Instagram captions, email newsletters, or Twitter threads using the same ChatGPT workflow. Add 10 retainer clients paying $150 per month. You're at $1,500 per month, working roughly 10 hours per week. That's a real business, not a side hustle. And everything runs through ChatGPT, Canva, and Google Docs. Let's pull it all together. The $500 blueprint. Choose one service, LinkedIn posts. Set up a Fiverr gig in 45 minutes. Use the ChatGPT prompt I gave you to deliver in under an hour per client. Reach out to 30 LinkedIn users per day to get your first clients fast. Then raise prices, add retainers, and expand services to scale. The only thing standing between you and your first $500 is action. ChatGPT is free. Fiverr is free. LinkedIn is free. The only thing you have to invest is time and the willingness to start before you feel completely ready. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, it genuinely helps. Now I want to know, which service are you going to try first? Comment below. LinkedIn posts, emails, or blog writing. I read every comment. If you want to go even deeper, I have a video on the 5 best AI tools that are completely free. That video will set you up with everything else you need. It's linked on description now. Subscribe for weekly AI income tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.